In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Salesforce in 2020. This tutorial will take you through the entire process step by step, making the integration seamless and efficient for your business operations. Integrating these powerful tools can transform your workflow by syncing your sales and marketing efforts, giving you a unified platform for managing your customer and sales data. So let's dive into this straightforward process. To get started, you'll want to head over to the HubSpot homepage, open your preferred web browser and type in hubspot.com. HubSpot is a comprehensive tool for inbound marketing, sales, and customer service, offering extensive software for managing everything from social media marketing to customer service. Once there, look at the upper right hand corner for the login button and give it a click. If you're not already logged in, make sure you have your credentials handy and proceed to log into your HubSpot account. If it's your first time or you've forgotten your password, HubSpot makes it easy to reset it on this page. With HubSpot open, navigate to the home dashboard. You should be seeing a range of options available for managing different aspects of your business from this home page. Now, locate and click on the marketplace icon, which is usually represented by a shop-shaped symbol. The marketplace is a treasure trove of integrations and additional tools that can be connected to your existing HubSpot environment to expand its functionality. Next up, you should see an option for apps. Click on it to access various third-party tools and software integrations available in HubSpot's ecosystem. The apps page is where you'll find the Salesforce integration among other useful applications. Now within the apps section, look for Salesforce. It should be fairly prominent as it's one of the most popular CRM solutions available and highly sought after for integration with HubSpot. Salesforce offers dynamic customer relationship management solutions and can enhance your business processes significantly when linked with HubSpot. Once you locate Salesforce, click on it to proceed. You're almost there. You'll now see an option to install app. Click this button to begin the installation process. This typically involves connecting your Salesforce account to HubSpot by providing your Salesforce credentials and allowing necessary permissions. Make sure you review any prompts you receive during this installation and provide any authentication required to ensure a secure linking of your accounts. And there you have it. The integration should now be complete, allowing HubSpot and Salesforce to communicate seamlessly, aligning your sales and marketing data for better efficiency. Keep an eye on the integration settings in both HubSpot and Salesforce to customize the details or troubleshoot if needed. Thank you for following along with this tutorial on integrating HubSpot with Salesforce. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech tips and tutorials.